Hi, Ellie Yung with Ellie Yung Real Estate, and today we'll be discussing what kind of investor are you? Here are 4 general buckets of investors. Number 1, the conservative investor. You are a conservative investor if you are adverse to risk and you will only buy a primary home that is your core asset. Core asset properties are usually best-in-class properties located in prime locations with high and stable appreciation rates. These homes can be more expensive compared to others, but in a slow market, these homes are least to be affected. Since this is your primary home, there is less risk and no risk of loss from tenant vacancy. Number 2, the opportunistic investor. If you are an opportunistic investor, you're willing to take on more risk out of your comfort zone. Opportunistic investors want to grow their money without losing too much. In addition to purchasing a core asset, this investor may purchase an older property at a discount with the goal to renovate and make cosmetic improvements and then resell. The investor has now added value to the home and turned it into a core property. With a well-executed plan, the return on investment can be very rewarding. Now, number 3, the moderate investor. If you are a moderate investor, you are in the next rung of the risk ladder. Moderate investors will weigh the opportunities and risks in purchasing investments and usually set aside a generous percentage of losses they can handle. This type of investor generally has a large real estate portfolio of core assets, including ownership of a primary home and multiple rental homes. And/or they may also be trading up every few years to create increased wealth. In addition to the larger real estate portfolio, they may also be flipping homes and trading properties through a 1031 exchange. And now lastly, number 4, the aggressive investor. Aggressive investors are at the top of the risk ladder. These are what I like to think of as full-time flippers. They're willing to risk losing large amounts of money to get potentially better results. These investors buy distressed properties which may have major problems such as structural issues or financial issues, or they will buy foreclosure or auction properties sight unseen. Because these investments carry the highest risk and require the most expertise, time, and money, the return on investment is quite high. As you can see, the higher the risk, the higher the rewards. I would say that I'm a solid moderate investor that dabbles in aggressive territory. What kind of investor are you? Regardless of what kind of investor you are or want to be, I can help. If you'd like to hear more or are thinking about buying, selling, or investing, please contact me. Also, check out my website at ellieyoung.com to learn more about investment strategies. Anyone can sell you a home. How many can create a wealth strategy for you?